Oh my gosh, I just filmed a bunch of stuff, but my mic wasn't working. Anyway, if you haven't realized yet, we are currently at Jewel, and it's now 9 a.m. Well, 9:45 a.m. and we are going for a baking class. Yay! I just wanted to show you guys this little setup before we go. How cute is this? So apparently Ralph Lauren did this Christmas setup especially for Jewel. So cute. Show you guys the other side. Look at that! Oh my gosh! I feel like this is my dream Christmas lodge come true. And ta-da! Honestly, for Christmas, I kind of wish that I'm in a Scandinavian country in a Christmas lodge just like this, with snow on the roof, just like that. Okay, I need to find where the baking class is, and on the way, hopefully I find a drink because I'm really thirsty. Gotta head to level 3 to the ABC cooking studio. Hopefully this is the way. Honestly, I thought I would have time for breakfast and drinks. I even left house earlier and then I arrived just slightly earlier. Oh my gosh, can you believe I actually went on that net before? Get a ticket and walk through that whole netting, looking downwards at this many levels. Look. My legs were so jelly the last time I was on there. How do I get to level 3? Okay, thank you. There's lime juice. I need some orange juice. Okay, yeah, we are on the right track. I've been wanting to do this for such a long time, and then I received an invite from them a couple of weeks back. So obviously I had to say yes. And today we're gonna bake something that's Christmas themed. Really excited, not sure what it's gonna be. Okay, I see the unit numbers. 03205. Oh gosh, I am so lost. Okay, I found it. Ta-da-da-da! Oh my god! Alright guys, we have arrived, and here I have a little refreshment. I'm not very sure what drink this is, but it's kind of tropical. Might be grapefruit, but I think I'm really wrong. Oh wait, it might be guava. Anyway, just to show you guys what we have on table before we all start. I like my basic cream color, so we're going with this. I actually have a Smack toaster at home in this exact color. They actually have the red one there, also really cute. And even a blue one. I don't know if I can show you. Maybe I just... Ta-da! Okay, maybe you can see. I'm not even going to try to pull that over. And we do have some butter, nuts. What is this? No idea. Oh, I think it's sugar. And also some... Is this water or something else? Not too sure. So yeah, I think we're gonna cook on this induction cooker. And also we have this mixing bowls, egg yolks and egg whites separated for us already. And yeah, I don't know what's everything else. Okay, so here's the recipe apparently. This is the Merry Cocoa-Nutfee. Oh, Nutfee? Why is it Nutfee? And it's gonna be a whole cake of 15 cm. Hi. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna make. It's gonna be split into 6 parts: a cocoa chiffon sponge, caramelized mixed nuts, mocha cream chantilly. Not too sure what that is. Cocoa cream chantilly, glazing syrup, and garnishing. Okay. And apparently we're gonna use nuts, almonds and cranberries from Nature's Wonders. Alright guys, hands are washed. I think we're gonna start soon, perhaps in 10 minutes or so. So we're just gonna chill out first, finish up my drink, and then we're gonna start baking.
You are watching? Yeah, we are watching.
Your name is Cindy. Okay. Clarice.
Clarice,
Yeah.
good name.
Thank you.
You have any experience in baking?
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah. I actually used to love baking a lot, and then recently, I think my most recent is macarons, but it's very difficult.
Very difficult, yeah.
I failed many times. So it's
Good morning, everyone. So we will start in a short while.
利用这些东西也是。
Okay, so welcome everyone. So good morning. Welcome to ABC Cooking Studio. So we are going to have a hands-on of baking our Christmas cake today. Okay, have you washed your hand? Washed already, right? But you are still taking your phone. Okay. Yeah. So but we will take a group photo. Anyone here first time baking? Please raise your hand, don't be shy, okay? Because they scared you burn your hand or burn my studio. Okay? So please be careful because today we are using the nuts and cranberry. So we are making some caramelized. So we will caramelize the nuts. And we will start with making the chiffon sponge. So instructor, okay, just guide along how to use the hand mixer first.
Oh, it's an
Okay,
octagonal shape.
teach
Go
them
into.
how to use
Oh,
the
I
hand
see.
mixer first before we
Okay.
start.
Yeah, you put in until you hear that click sound.
okay.
Okay. Yeah, same thing. Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
So I guess we're gonna whip this. Eh? Is it alright?
So we are making our meringue right
We will do it until we have a beer foam stage, like
Okay.
a small bubbles.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm level 4 now. Should I do? I think we should do 5. Yeah.
Half sugar first. Half
Okay.
first.
Half.
You have to take it out.
Yeah, half.
Half and
How do I
half.
make sure it's just half?
Yeah. Just generally,
Okay,
generally
okay,
half.
okay.
And you can
And figure out how to put just half sugar in. I feel like I'm gonna fail this terribly. My God. Oh. Okay. 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 Let's hope our cake turns out well.
So you can take a challenge. If you are done with your meringue, you can upside down your bowl. See whether the meringue drops. And move it to higher speed. Yeah, so
It's coming. Look guys, I think we're doing well. Okay, we're gonna add our sugar. Oh, right. Okay. Wow, my arms. It's a little like macaron, baking macaron. Yeah. Let's just check first. I don't want to over mix. Oh, okay, a while more like that.
And
A lot
if you
more.
are experienced, you can go until level 8.
Oh, better. It was. Yeah. Yeah.
If you are pain, then you can use from here.
Ah,
yeah, and then
okay.
you just rest your arm like that.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
do better than others. 这个是 sharp 的，就尖尖的。OK， 好了。
okay, okay.
So we are done ready, I guess.
I just want to show.
All together well.
Okay.
But you don't over mix, okay?
Okay.
Until that's just when we want to mix everything together. Yes,
Part 2.
yes, yes.
Okay. Slow speed would be
Maybe level 2 or 3.
Okay. Okay, just well mixed, guys.
Okay, we're going to see your cake flour and cocoa powder. Okay?
Set aside here, please.
This is cake flour and cocoa powder.
powder,
Okay. Just do this. Woohoo.
Okay, we're going to see your cake flour right now. I see a lot of people is doing this step already. So before that, you have a lot of things on the table. You can inject up the hand mixer first.
Okay.
敢敢这样。
Oh.
就在下面。
Wow, okay. I think I cannot coordinate.
So, when you see so everything
Yeah.
is ready. You're going to do J folding. So you
Chop, chop, and fold.
Chop, J4, then turn.
Okay.
Oil.
Oh, this is oil.
Add in half first. You can add in the oil.
Oh no. Is that half?
Half, then you fold J4 again.
I think it's half.
No, don't need to chop anymore, just so the oil is,
So I do the same thing.
yeah, you just do the J4 thing.
Okay.
Don't need to chop
Oh,
anymore.
I see.
Yeah.
Just J4.
Until the oil is completely combined into the mixture.
Okay.
You can also use this one. Or
Yeah. Oh my god, this is my first time using it.
Very good.
Let's go. This is fun. Okay, we're gonna put it in the oven. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Put it in close. Use 180 for 10 minutes. You want to start?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And it seems like next would be caramelized mixed nuts. My other phone stand is spoiled. Figure out how to put it back, which I really don't know how. Okay. Oh my gosh, I have chocolate all over my nails.
Sugar and water. So this is how we make our caramel, okay? Well, it's still hot. You're gonna
2 portions. 2 portions.
The flatter part is we're going to decorate on top of the cake. That means, yeah, this one doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah, you flatten and make it like
Yeah.
one each, so later you can separate it easily.
Yeah.
the pot.
Yeah. Whoa, look at that. Oh, it's actually hot. And release some anger.
Half is on the creamy. Only the
Okay,
taste.
let's try to maximize this. Don't know if we got it.
So let them be hot, but so right now we will put the syrup and
Oh no.
It's okay because it's inside the cake.
Oh, it's inside.
Inside the cake, you
Okay.
cannot see.
Wow. And we don't need the rest. Yeah.
and
You can eat the rest.
Oh, there's too much to eat. Okay, we're gonna try. It's good. It's like a fluffy texture, and you can taste a bit of the meringue.
now your customer is tapping the sponge and with the syrup and after you have so the whole thing. Same one, you just want the size.
It's the cake. Yeah, taste the cake first.
You can take.
It kind of looks like beef.
So you put the
Yeah.
right in the middle.
Guys, here's a hamburger patty for you. So we gotta pour this in. Whoa! Let's grab every drop of ganache. Add the gelatin and the chocolate. I don't know if you guys can even see that.
You're gonna whip the whole thing so you can pour everything in and straightforward to whip up the whole thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Level 4 or 5 is okay.
So what's good is that you can use quick 3, 4, 5. Up to you, but if you realize that the quick
Can you see that? Oh my gosh.
then just squeeze.
Whoa. Okay.
Just try to put all to the corner so you don't have the line gap at the side. It's just to cover up the side so the side will be nice.
Okay.
So you don't have suddenly sometimes you put the nuts ready.
There's a hole.
Yeah, you cut here first.
Okay.
Okay.
And then go.
Squeeze this. Like squeeze up.
Okay, we are supposed to cover the glass film. Oh, not glass, plastic film. Oh, there's some still quite big. It's okay.
It's okay, you put in the middle.
Okay.
I hold on yeah.
Oh, I can. Okay, okay. So I put.
Like me. Perfect. I have to do that. No, perfect.
Okay, we're gonna put this in top like that.
Then you squeeze out the cream again.
Okay.
Like zigzag.
On the side, right?
Yeah. Or cover up this one. But not everything yet. You left some cream for the top part.
Yeah. I left with this much.
Spread out in the middle.
Oh, middle.
Yeah. Later we're gonna.
Not the side yet.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna nut on the.
Add the rest of the nuts. Oh, I think it's more than half. So we're gonna put our last layer. Oh shucks. The last
And cake layer.
my god. Like not seems like I don't have enough cream.
Okay, we can spread it out later.
Okay.
Okay, instructor, now.
Oh,
So
okay.
we use these because your hand cannot handle. So from the center, you just try to
Oh,
see, you can
Yeah.
bring the cream to any corner that you want.
yeah. Oh,
See? Yeah.
okay.
Now more even.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because he helped me.
Coffee breakfast, yes, or you want to go for water, you can go. But before you go, please make sure that
Yeah, much later. Oh, okay. Okay.
Alright guys, it's time to decorate our cake. Okay. Okay.
the pillow is not spreading. You don't put separating decoration.
Oh my god, that looks bad.
If you want, you can try anything.
Can be a Christmas tree.
You can put it wrong? It's okay, it's okay.
Can. Oh, anything.
Anything, it's okay.
Oh my
You
God.
can do it.
Okay.
Because normally it's this one and we
Yeah.
put the nuts on top and we put
Yeah.
the leaf, that's it.
I think I'm gonna go. Let's try first. Testing. I'm trying to make sure it's centered.
So after you've done your nice
How does a
cake,
Christmas tree look like?
I
think it's-
corner for you. So
Maybe like this, then you go triangle and square.
For the daddy like coffee.
Yeah. Okay. So sticky.
Our cake is like one small piece each.
Yeah.
Yeah. But if
So I
it's
can
okay.
break and
Yeah,
break
photo
it.
corner.
I see. I see.
One is at the front here. And one
Oh
is
my
at the
gosh.
waterfall.
The tree has a green color.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, Merry Christmas cake. It's okay.
It looks so horrible. My gosh.
I'll show you the normal cake.
Oh, okay, okay,
The
okay.
picture.
My God, this is.
It will be like. But it's okay. This is your cake. You can decorate as you like.
Yeah. Oh my God, so nice. Mine is so weird.
No. Yeah. You just. It's so cute.
Okay, okay. This is
Anything. It's a cheval.
sheep.
Cheval is like the coriander, but not
Oh,
coriander.
coriander.
Yeah, but not coriander. It's for decoration.
Oh my God, so cute. Oh,
So
in
that
the
it has
middle.
the
I
tree has
see,
a
I
green
see.
color.
Okay, 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 okay.
Because
okay.
it's the tree, so
Ah,
it has a green color. Nice, right? So this one you can put in the middle. So it's a
Okay,
green
okay.
color.
Yeah, yeah.
Green color tree. Yay. Yay. Okay. Nice.
Okay, okay.
You want more leaf at the side?
Maybe here. A bit, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma?
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
So first, later everyone is done.
This looks like a garden.
Front. Yeah, photo corner. With the one.
Hungry, so I want to look around to see if there's anything nice for lunch. Alright guys, here's my lunch and I got myself some teriyaki salmon. Caramelized.